if you're operating in a highly competitive category, your product is really wanted, you can even optimize after a day, after, I don't know, 3 hours, depending on how much volume you get. Because if your conversion rate is 25%, that means every 4 clicks you land a sale. So if you wait 5 hours and you accumulated 50 clicks, yeah, so after 50 clicks, you should get around 12 sales. But if there are no sales, obviously you don't need to wait for a week to accumulate hundreds of clicks. So the general rule that I follow is that I wait up to 2 times more to see a sale. So if I should see a sale after 4 clicks, I would wait for 8 clicks or 10 clicks to see if something's going to happen. So there's no actually right time to optimize, but to optimize based on the data. You can even wait for 3 weeks for sponsor product campaign, and in 3 weeks you will accumulate 13 clicks, and with a low conversion rate, that's not justifiable to make any change if you have only like 12 clicks accumulated over 2 or 3 weeks.